Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can tell from the title, is a super exciting one because I'm finally decorating for Christmas and I just love how everything turned out. It is super cozy and I really hope today's video gives you tons of inspiration for you to decorate your homes as well. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so I wanted to start off by decorating the radiator cover, and as we don't have a fireplace or mantle, this is where I decided to hang the stockings, and I just hung some garland and added some trees. I just love all of like the neutral tones over here. It is so pretty and cozy. I'm not going to be talking too much throughout this video. I'm just going to let the Christmas music play, so if you see anything and you want to know where it's from, just let me know down in the comments.
Tuck a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. Yet for old lang syne, for old lang syne.
So now moving on to these shelves, and honestly these were an absolute nightmare. I had no idea how I was going to decorate them. Normally I have like some ideas of what's going to go up there, but on this day I was honestly just winging it, and I really wish that I planned it out a little bit more because it took me forever. So I know for a fact that I'm going to be changing it all up throughout the coming weeks, so definitely stick around because there is going to be lots more decorating videos to come because I am no good at just decorating once and leaving it. I like to see how it looks in loads of different areas in the house. So this is just the first go and I'll see how it ends up by Christmas Day.
Say
Okay, so it's now time to move on to the Christmas tree, and I already had it up and the lights were on, so all I had to do was the fun part and decorate it. And this year I went with 3 different types of ribbon. I'm using the burlap, the black and white, and the black and red, and I've also got like a little bit of the mesh from last year, so I just used that as like filler if there were any gaps. So I'm just going to go in and do that, and yeah, I love how it turned out. It's completely different to last year's tree. That was all pink and glam, and this is more of a rustic kind of farmhouse style, and yeah, I just really love it.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me.
I definitely needed to do a thorough hoover. There was just the flocking from the tree and glitter and just all sorts all over the place, as you can imagine. So I gave it a thorough hoover and just swapped out a few things. I didn't really like how that table was looking, so I just swapped it with my like blanket basket, and yeah, I just love it so much. So I'm going to quickly show you the finished result, and I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. I hope it's given you some decorating inspiration for your homes as well. Do go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future decorating videos, and I will see you guys back here in the next one.
Christmas time on.